Hi, my name is Latko Turkovic, and I would like to briefly introduce our Prudent Value Investing Workshops, or PVI workshops. They have been held since 2011, and over 500 students have already attended them. Their concept is based on value investing, founded by Benjamin Graham in the book The Intelligent Investor and Philip Fisher in his book Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. The purpose of our workshops is stock analysis. In meetings, we try to find undervalued securities. We are particularly focused on growth companies that are not yet too expensive. Of course, participants can use this analysis to build their own stock portfolios. Workshops are held in small groups. By using Excel tables, we analyze the 10-year operating results of company, based on which we assess whether the market value is above or below its intrinsic value. In addition to analyzing income statement, balance sheet, and operating cash flow, we go through 10K company reports as well. Of course, we also consider the company's future potential profits. At the end of each workshop, the participants vote whether the stock is buy or sell at a certain price. After each meeting, I compile an analysis, an example of which you can see on our website. As a participant, you receive analysis of all groups. We will be happy if we manage to attract you. In order to make it easier to make a decision, you can attend one of our workshops for free and then decide if you want to see them regularly. You are welcome.